So, being interested in glasses for such a long time, I have been interested in mechanical keyboards. Now, why am I saying this about mechanical keyboards? What is a mechanical keyboard? A mechanical keyboard is a highly advanced keyboard that works a lot better than the usual ones you get out of school. And ever since I have watched his content, I have gone to stores, I've typed on these keyboards, and I'm like, this sucks, this is cool, this is this, this is that, but I've never actually had one. But then I saw this video.
Yo, this is the Homage 68 by Click Clack. Oh my god, this thing is a brick. Magnetic switches. Wait, this is Hall Effect? So it's gaming. Oh. Guess how much it is?
That's gotta be super
less.
Less? It's gotta be super
$85.
What?
Alright, this is $85. Really assembled. Needed in America. This is fun. Yes.
In seeing how cheap this was, I was appalled, but it was $89 actually. So maybe I was a little late, but just gotta correct it. Not 85, but $89. And my fingers were ready. So with reluctance, but excitement, I clicked that button. So flash forward 2 weeks, and I'm sitting there, bored out of my mind, not knowing what to do, and overall, this shit takes a while, man. Finally, those 2 weeks flashed by, and what arrived at my doorstep was weirdly a white dog, so that's cool from Click Clack to provide that, but also the package. So quickly busting this open, doing a quick unboxing. I am ready. Huh? Ooh, yeah. Alright, so reading about the Hummingbird 68. Hello, everyone. We at Click Clack IO are thrilled to announce our new brand, Kochi, inspired by the joy of delicious roast. Ooh, yeah. So this model is called the Hummingbird 68, equipped with so much to love about a very small price tag. There's a lot to go through, but immediately when you plug this thing in, the LEDs are just so crisp, so tasty. It was so fucking cool, and immediately I knew I made the right decision. These LEDs have some cool features too, where you could quickly turn them down, turn them up, make them do some flashy commands. But the problem is, mine didn't come with a manual, so I don't really know how to make it white like it was in the glasses video or do any other controls, so that's one mistake, but it's still a very nice thing, so it will let bygones be bygones with the LEDs. Ooh, yeah! Now, about mechanical keyboards, the stabilizers are pinnacle, the peak of the keyboard. If you have stabilizers that are rattly, that makes it not a great keyboard and definitely something that is not very good for typing. So doing the test, wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. These stabilizers sound great and everything sounds good. So, yeah! The feel of a mechanical keyboard for the first time is such an interesting thing. because it not only sounds buttery smooth, but it also feels buttery smooth. This is not something that you type on at like some random library or something. This feels nice to the hands, and it works well with smoothness of typing with that linear feel. There's another thing called tactility, and the tactile feel of the typing, more so fast and more so tactical with what you're doing with gaming or what you're doing with typing. But the feel of a mechanical keyboard on your hands, linear, and with the nice profiled keycaps that are very soft to the touch but very nicely made and hard, the feel of it is so nice. And I also got a good feel about this from making comments from myself, from my second account, to myself, to my best friend, somebody that I used to know, and the video itself. And this thing feels fantastic. I love it. Now, I was worried about the sound on this because I heard from this one channel, Zeke DGTL, that this keyboard sounds like shit. This keyboard is terrible. So that got me a little nervous, but surprisingly, my keyboard came in great condition. So I don't know what was up with his. I'm not gonna blame it on him though, because Ducks Gang rise up. But my keyboard came in great, and my sound test was a little interesting. Ah! Alright, so about to do the typing test. Got Papa Craft filming, you know, from the favorite video that is not out yet, which is one of my favorite videos, but here we are with the typing test. Not a great typer, but I'm so ready. Dad, tell me when to go.
Go.
Words per minute. I'm worse than Dechi. With this all aluminum case, it is very durable, very heavy feel, and you can clearly see that it's nice metal. It works out very well. and that is what is giving you good sound, but also great durability. And I'm not even gonna do durability test. BTMC already showed that in the video. Yeah, switches, HE clear switches, very nice and look very good. I'm not gonna take out the rest of them, you'll see why, but it looks all very natural, very premium. It has a nice sound to it still too. Ooh, yeah! Overall, this keyboard, for first-time keyboard users such as myself, absolutely amazing. The LEDs, the feel of it, the look of it, it just matches up. But I'm sitting there and something is missing. Something to me is missing from the keyboard. And I don't know what it is. Until finally, it hit me.
You need style!